Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best boat interior cleaners you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many boat interior cleaners and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each boat interior cleaners so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a boat interior cleaner. First, think about the material compatibility because boats have different surfaces like vinyl, leather, and fabric that need specific cleaning formulas. Next, check if the cleaner is safe for marine use, meaning it should be biodegradable and non-toxic to protect both your boat and the environment. You should also look for cleaners that are easy to apply and rinse, saving you time during routine maintenance. Another key factor is stain and odor removal strength, as boats often face moisture and mildew issues. Consider the scent as well, since strong chemical odors can make the cabin unpleasant. Lastly, always read customer reviews and compare prices to find the best value. Choosing the right cleaner will keep your boat interior looking fresh and lasting longer. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful boating tips.